Unless you're living under a rock or somehow managed to escape the influencer posts, the app notifications, the emails, and the texts from your girlfriends, Amazon and Ulta just wrapped some of their biggest sales of the year. And your girl, I got. I needed to restock on some of my favorite things and grab a few new things. And I figure you might need some of this too. So let's get into it. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Coco, aka your closet coach and your favorite fashion friend. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Class is officially in session and you don't want to be late to the next one, okay? So let's start off with Ulta. I mainly focused on hair with a few little skincare stuff. Let's start off with the hair products. I am a natural girl. I'm very particular about my curly hair products. I have a fro. It took me a while to find a hair care line and products that work for me and are guaranteed. Y'all know when you do a wash and go or a twist out, the product that you use can make or break. And once you find that product, you don't switch up. You stay loyal, okay? Like a man to his barber. That is me and Donna's Recipe. So if you don't know, Donna's Recipe is a brand by Tabitha Brown, fabulous Black creator. And she created this hair care line along with another Black woman, which obviously made me like, yes, please. This is the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. It literally smells like sweet potato pie. You can smell it without even taking this off. I be scraping to the bottom of this, like trying to get every little drop. You don't need to use a lot, so this jar actually does last a long time, especially like if you're retwisting for the night. You don't need a lot of this. This with the leave-in and some mousse, honey. Also from the Donna's Recipe line, this is still from the Sweet Potato Pie collection. I got some more products. So I like the whole system. So starting off with the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo. Now, this isn't the shampoo that I would use alone after like a protective style like what I have in my hair right now. It is moisturizing. It's still cleansing, but definitely not going to strip your hair. It's rich and sweet. It's, again, smells like sweet potato pie, like dessert, like you want to eat it. Do with that information what you will. But I love the shampoo because it does not strip my hair. It keeps it moisturized, especially if you have curly hair. You know how important that is. And it's actually made with real sweet potatoes. And then I have the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner. Again, it's all about adding as much moisture back into your hair during the wash process. I think it starts there. This adds a lot of slip. It makes it super shiny, keeps it moisturized. The shampoo isn't stripping, but just in case you felt like it was, back it up with this. And then lastly, from Donna's Recipe, I have the Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner. Now this, again, super moisturizing, shiny, all that. This is a much lighter formulation. So if you find that the Extra Creamy cream is too thick for you or feels maybe too heavy, this is something that you can use every day to refresh your curls, to twist at night. I love the leave-in conditioner too. I even use this on this is human hair, so I use it on this protective style as well. Yes, ma'am. Let's go makeup. So I did get a few makeup products. I re-upped on my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm in the color Deep Chestnut. Yes, Deep Chestnut. I pretty much buy one of these every single time that I check out on Ulta. They're $7. I don't believe that they were on sale probably because they're $7. I love this concealer. I used to be a Fenty girl, a Fenty concealer girl. Love that concealer down. However, as an affordable drugstore option, especially if you're someone who wears makeup often, like myself, like more than 4 times a week, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Again, I'm in the color Deep Chestnut. There is I think the white cap is like a matte version or a moisturizing version. I don't know, but I don't like that one. I like this one. I have normal to dry skin. I can get dry sometimes in the winter, but mainly normal, non-sensitive. This is that girl. The next makeup product that I actually got 2 of. I am not a lash girly yet as far as going and getting lash extensions. Not yet. I have we haven't been there yet. I love me a good strip lash, and the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink collection in the style Jubilee is my absolute favorite. I believe these were 2 for 1. I believe at the time that I purchased them, but there are always sales on these. They're $15.99 a pack each. They come with 4 pairs, and they come in a ton of different styles. I also like pompadour. I like little black dress, a bunch, but Jubilee is my absolute favorite. She's light, she's wispy, but she does bring the drama still. So it's something, definitely a lash you can wear during the day, but also at night. She's a classy girl. You know what I mean? She's classy. That was a win for me. I didn't mention this before, but the Donna's Recipe products were buy one, get one 50% off. So because I got 4, I basically got a good deal. Because I got 4, I basically got 4 for the price of 3. So love that for me. Next up is skincare. So first things first, I finished my face wash and I loved it so much. I just bought another one. So I use the Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. And it says a gentle cleanser to leave skin feeling balanced and hydrating. Look at the size of this, y'all. It's as big as my head. This thing lasts forever and it's literally like $11. Like it's if even that much. It's a ridiculous price. What I love about this is it is gentle and it is hydrating and it's a cleansing gel. However, my issue with hydrating or like facial cleansers that are gels or gentle or hydrating, moisturizing, whatever, is that they usually don't sud up. Like they don't have suds. Like soap bubbles, they don't create suds. And for me, again, this might be irrational. This might be the Caribbean in me. This might be my Haitian mama telling me it ain't clean. I just feel like if I don't see bubbles, I don't see clean. Like it's just, to me, it's not clean. I don't care. I don't care how clean it is after, especially as a makeup wearer, especially as someone who lives in dirty, grimy, pollution-filled New York City. I need to see the bubbles so I know that it's getting clean. Okay? So I love that this doesn't strip my face. It doesn't make me dry at all. It's hydrating, it's cleansing, and it leaves my face feeling clean, like actually clean. Like not just cleansing, like clean. Because the other gels, they're good like when you're double cleansing to take off the makeup first and then use a soap. But this is like a soap. Love that. Love her. And then lastly from Ulta, had to re-up on my The Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% exfoliating toner. I love this toner. Love, love, love. I also was using the Thayer's Witch Hazel toner that everybody uses. Yes, we love her too. However, this one I find is so non-stripping. It's like not harsh. It is an exfoliating toner. It's a daily AHA toner. Why can't I say that? It's meant to improve skin texture, tone, and luminosity. If you have dark spots, if you're somebody with dark under eye, whether it's natural or you're like me, you don't drink enough water, baby, get this toner, okay? Use the toner to brighten up, cleanse, and like get an extra clean and even like a moisture wicking. I know that's a fabric term, but for the sake of this, feel in other parts of your body. So like between your thighs, your underarms, all that. This is also great to use there. So this is the 8.1 fluid ounce. Yes, this is the 8.1 fluid ounce bottle. I think Amazon has like a 2-pack of this that I think I'm gonna go back and get because she gets used every day at some point in some part of my body. So love her. Also, if you're not using a toner, you absolutely should be. Nothing will confirm that your face is clean like a toner will. Okay? When you take that cotton pad and you swab your face, it's gonna reveal. We'll know who's clean and who's not. Okay? Let's talk Amazon Prime. So from Amazon, I got a few more skincare products. Let's talk about face care. I got face and body care. So continuing with the face care, this is closed, but I do have one already. I just decided to re-up because there was a crazy sale on COSRX. I love COSRX. I did not want to hop on the Snail Mucin train, but my sister had the moisturizer for this. She had the hydrating one, I believe, the one with the blue label. I tried it like crack. So I ordered it, and then when I saw this on sale, I was like, you gotta have it. It's basically 2 products for the price of 1. This is the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I use this again every morning and at night when I wash my face after using the ordinary toner. This essence actually has an interesting consistency. It's like a clear gel. It is a little bit tacky, and definitely leaves almost like a, it's weird because it's like snail mucin. It's exactly what you think it would be, just clear. It is very hydrating. This, I absolutely love the way that my skin looks after using this product. It helps it lose less moisture, which I genuinely feel that way, especially again, living in a big city that is heavily polluted. This definitely keeps my face looking nice and moisturized, keeps the skin like, you know? And then immediately after that, I follow up with the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. This product is like my baby. Like I refuse to live without this. A little bit goes a long way. I bought this size a while ago, like a couple of months ago, and literally have not even gotten halfway through with it. A little bit goes such a long way. It leaves your face looking so moisturized and glowy. You might think that it's going to be greasy, like just from the way that you look, but I kid you not, no greasy feeling at all. Makeup lays perfectly on top of it. If anything, I feel like makeup lays so much better when you have a super hydrating base. Love her down. 100% helping with the texture of my skin and also like overall the color and tone of it. So love her. Now, body care. I recently discovered Dove's cream serum line. So not the lotions, but the cream serums, which are basically like a souped up version of a lotion. Like in a bottle. Okay? It's like the best way that I can describe it. I love to be moisturized. I love to look moisturized, glowy, dripping, all that good stuff. I like to look like water loves me and I love water, and we are just one. Okay? Locked in for life. And so Dove has, I believe, 2 versions. There's the niacinamide, which is basically helping with skin tone and discoloration, hyperpigmentation. And then there is the hyaluronic acid. Yes, I bought 2. It took everything in me not to buy 3. I actually put 3 in my cart because these were $6. These I love because, again, super moisturizing. A little bit goes a long way, but I also mix this with a baby oil gel for this like glowy look. I am actually obsessed. It's a super thick cream. This is clinically proven for extra dry, flaky skin. It has proceramides, niacinamide, collagen peptides. You have dry skin. I recently actually recommended this to my cousin who has eczema because this, it's a 70, it says it's 72-hour moisture. It's fragrance free. It is perfection. It feels light on the skin, but you're going to feel hydrated and moisturized all day long. The next thing I got is actually a new product. I've been seeing this everywhere. The girlies have gone on the trips. We're seeing them at Essence. We're seeing the packaging, the bottles, everything is in everybody's shower routine. I was like, I need some. Give me some of that. I got the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deeply Moisturizing Body Wash. This is made with plant-based moisturizers, and it says it has 24-hour visible moisture. We gonna see. We gonna see. It smells really clean. It smells really clean, really great. It comes like, it looks like lotion, so I'm really interested to see how that like washes and suds up. I do use the Dial Gold Bar before I use any kind of body wash. I double cleanse everything, okay? So I'm not so much worried about like its ability to get off grime and dirt. I am worried about its ability to clean, but as far as getting off grime, dirt, and bacteria, that's what my Dial Gold Bar is going to do the heavy lifting. We're okay with that. We understand that and we've accepted it. But this, I am definitely interested in seeing what a hit for, you know? And it says, with every purchase, you support our mission to reinvest back in our communities. I bet this was the most expensive one. It's huge though. Like, this is gonna last me forever. Anyway. And then last but not least, this is a product. I actually didn't buy this during the sale, but I just wanted to mention it to you guys because we're all about glow, but we're also about protecting. And I love a 2-in-1 product. I love a multitasker. Okay. This is the Kopari Sun Shield Body Glow SPF 45 in rose gold. I love this thing. So now I do find it to be a little greasy. And you let me know, like, if you have this, let me know, like, what you think about it. But I just think, like, the glow is so pretty. Do you see this? Like, don't get me wrong. Like, if you're wearing silk satin like I am right now, like, you want to put this on after. It is a sunscreen, so you want to put it on 15 minutes before you go outside anyway. But, like, it's definitely going to, like, create that stain on your silk satin if you're wearing that. But I just think the glow is so pretty. Like, it's undeniable. And the fact that it is a sunscreen and you can use it all over the body is amazing. It smells like a tropical island. It's made with coconut, hibiscus, and macadamia oils, and that's exactly how it smells. It literally smells so tropical. It's perfect for summer, and I love that it adds a little something without being too strong, so you can layer all your perfumes and stuff on top of it. That's another great thing about the Dove. It's unscented, so you literally can wear whatever with it. Love that for us. Thank you, Kopari. And that is it. That is everything that I got from the Amazon Prime, the beauty. That's all the beauty products I got from the Amazon Prime Day sale and the Ulta Big Beautiful sale, which is still going on until tomorrow, July 19th at 11:59 p.m. All of the products that I mentioned are linked down below and on my LTK. There should be a QR code on the screen, so you can just go ahead and scan that if you're watching on like your computer or iPad or your TV. Scan that. Go get you some products on a discount, especially if you're a curly girl. Please grab you some Donna's recipe. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you had a great kiki with me, okay? And hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss class, okay? We're gonna gather, we're gonna learn things together, and we're gonna have a good time. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you bought from the sale. I'm nosy. I want to buy things too. I got more money and free will. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.